Snoop Dogg's cookbook, no weed involved. It says from crook to cook for shizzle. No idea what I'm doing at all. I don't know what's going on. I don't cook at all. I'm the type of guy that I would rather starve than cook. Where's he say that in this book?
Lying.
Alright, you gonna get the water?
1/2 of what?
Water. I just told you, 1/2 of water.
1/2 what? 1/2
water!
A cup, a teaspoon.
Is this a saucepan? Is this it?
No, honey, a pan, a skillet.
I don't know what to do. Fam, what's happening, Glam Fam? We are going to do mac and cheese today. First of all, this is the Natural Disaster Cooking Show.
Hey, what's up,
I'm
everybody?
Chef Mr. Natural Disaster himself. This is my sidekick,
Tsunami.
and Tornado.
I'm not Tornado.
Who are you?
I am
The flash
the
flood.
Thunderstorm.
thunder.
Okay.
I need some.
Okay, so first of all, we are going to add some salt.
1 cup of what? 1 cup of what?
Okay, so first of all, let's get started with the show. Come on, let's get started.
Well, where'd he go you?
Wait.
Yeah, you're like.
Okay, hold on. We're adding our water. Don't know.
Yeah, you're gonna boil macaroni. You think that's enough?
I don't know. I'm assuming it's not, so let's keep going. That seems like enough right there. Alrighty then. Water, or we don't spill it.
I'm putting
Water,
in the salt as.
Okay, so now we gotta add salt to the pan, right?
Okay. Yeah, but you might want to turn your burner on.
Turn the burner what?
Turn the burner on.
Turn the burner on.
Is
Let's
that
see here.
water able? Can I do the water?
Right?
Mhm.
Can I already do it?
And then you have to turn the knob.
This one?
The first one. Yeah. Flick it. Turn it.
Woo, look at that.
That's
You can light the stove.
We're cooking with gas.
You need some help?
That's the first time I ever did that. Yeah. I feel like I
Take
accomplished something.
that. Don't you know?
2 tablespoons of salt.
1 teaspoon.
Dad, can I put it in?
2 teaspoons of salt.
Don't do this at home. Please don't do this at
Oh,
home.
you want to do this at home?
Welcome to my show. It's called.
Elbow mac and cheese.
The blue box.
So,
Hold on. First it has to boil. It has to boil first.
Where's your instructions?
Where's my instructions?
Dad, you was God, Daddy.
My instructions are right here. This is not going to go well. There's no side cooking.
It's gonna go great.
Okay, so we have to let it boil first.
Okay.
Alright. A young, sweet daughter to
Yeah.
pour this in it. Now be very, very careful. I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way.
Turn your fire down. a
Because
little
I'm
bit.
young.
Turn the fire down, son?
Yeah.
I got to turn my fire down. Alright. So
can't
go ahead and
watch.
pour. No, you're going to have to watch. What you mean you can't watch? Alright.
That was a close call. Yep. High five, Daddy.
Alright.
You know
Oh,
what
I knew you could do that.
This is easy. Peasy, mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be mac and cheesy. So before I go on any further, I want to let you guys know that we're gonna al dente this. Al dente means to just drain it, right? Hold on, what's al dente mean again, bro?
Where the noodles are cooked, they're almost done.
Okay. So I'm gonna cook this down to when the noodles are almost done before I go on with the second step. And the second step will be to add the milk. So we're gonna drain it, and that's called al dente.
Can I try? And did that. And the Santa kids, I did that.
now I'm going to drain the water here. Hopefully I don't lose some.
Yeah, our strainer is at the house.
Yeah. Got to be prepared when you're cooking with the natural disaster.
Alright, not too bad.
Not too bad. Not too shabby. Yeah, why dirty the pans? Why are we dirtying the pans for? Why are we doing this? I feel like a Japanese chef. Got my...
You gotta go cling, 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 cling.
So now I'm going to add in 2 cups of, what is this?
Whole milk.
Whole milk. 2 cups. Here we go. This is a 1/4 cup. So that means I gotta do 4 of them then, right?
8.
Whole cream, you guys.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream. Heavy cream, you guys. And 4. Alright. Alright, now we're going to add the butter.
Oh no.
4. What was it again? 4 what?
4 tablespoons of butter.
4 tablespoons of butter. And this butter is melted.
Oh, brother.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All the way up to the top, she says. How's that?
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, look at that. That's chef moves right there. Ooh, it's hot.
You got it.
Gotta knock on and make
and then
sure
you gotta whisk it good.
Whisk it good, she said. Whisk it. Whisk it good. Whisk it good.
Hello, everybody. It's
Alright, and then once you're ready, you're gonna slowly add the cream into your butter and flour
To this
mix.
here. Word. Slowly, she says.
Hey, Mom.
So I'm gonna slowly
Hey, Mom, what about
pour
the
this
cheese?
pan into this. Slowly, she says.
Yep, and you're gonna keep mixing. You gotta keep mixing it.
And she says to keep mixing. Then I must keep mixing.
Yep, there you go.
Oh snap! We've got something going on here.
Alright, then mix in the
Mix in
rest.
some more.
Where was my ears? Yeah.
And my sharp cheese. Here we go. We're gonna put a whole bag in.
And let's say voila.
Watch my trusty sidekick over here told me to say voila.
Snoop asked for 5 cups.
Snoop said he want 5 cups.
An extra sharp.
Extra sharp.
I think we don't have enough.
Turn this bad boy back up here. So now I got my cheese in there. Now I gotta put my 2 cups. Is it 2 cups?
2/3 of a cup.
2/3 of a cup.
Definitely.
So where is 2/3 at?
Those are spoons.
What I do, boo? Boo, what I
You
do?
need a measuring cup. Check the drawer.
In here?
Yeah. You just use your spoon to scoop it out. Then you need to add your seasonings.
Alright. What are those?
Pepper,
Pepper.
Dry mustard. Cayenne. We ain't doing no cayenne. And Worcestershire sauce.
Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This looks delicious.
All right, hurry up before you burn your cheese.
Okay. So, how much of this? Eggnog. Nutmeg.
Let me see that on here.
Right here.
Yeah, half a ground. Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon. There it is.
Because you gonna put sorry stuff
Are
on the
we
thing.
there yet? No. Is the food ready yet?
It's about to be.
Are you ready yet?
Alright. What's next, boo? Pepper.
Pepper.
How much?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of pepper.
Just open the big one.
And which one is the teaspoon? This one. Alright. It's a lot of pepper. But I like it. How much mustard, boo?
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of mustard.
Dry mustard.
Dry mustard at that.
Ah.
So now I have to hurry up.
1, 2.
2. Oh, that's right. 2. Oh, my bad.
Because
And then you're gonna mix your noodles in once you mix all your seasonings around.
That's what, and I'm getting hungry.
What'd you say?
And I'm getting hungry.
We're all hungry.
Yep. And even me. Then I'm starving.
Oh, shit! About to start a fire. Where the
Okay, mix your
fire
noodles.
extinguisher at?
Mix right by me.
Yep, that was that was a massive
camper on fire.
Okay,
disaster.
move stuff from the side of the stove.
That is not a
What?
good cooker.
We about to.
Think I'm about to burn the food.
Ah!
Whoa.
So now,
Alright, add your noodles in because you're burning your cheese.
add this in here?
Yes, slowly, piece by piece.
Piece by piece.
Close the door.
Add half, stir it around. Because all them noodles ain't gonna fit. Alright, and she's gonna top it off with some cheese. We forgot the cheese grater, so we just got a little.
You kind of. Let me show you how to do this.
And once that's it, y'all put them in the oven.
How long, boo?
25-30 minutes.
Whoa.
I'm starving. I can't wait that long.
You're gonna have to. Come on, girl.
You got to
Decorations?
go a little faster, honey. I know you're trying to make them nice and neat, but you got to move a little faster, Ava.
Got 2 of them here, so they're going in the oven for 25 minutes. Coming out piping hot. Let's see what we got here. Not too
Oh,
bad.
alright.
Kids, say thanks, Mr. Snoop Doggy Dog.
Just say cook to book.
Yeah,
From crook to cook.
from crook to cook.
We need some marketing off this cookbook.
I know, we're gonna make this book famous.
Y'all we call it snake.
Alright, boo.
Is it for shizzle?
It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
Well, you want to get
The
it.
taste of nutmeg in it. The nutmeg might be a little strong, but
Yeah,
it's actually pretty good.
yeah. Best you ever had in your life?
No.
1 to 10. Ben and Stouffer's.
Yeah, it's better.
Oh, we got something now then. It's better than Stouffer's.
It's pretty good. It tastes like
Oh,
an 8.
Snoop, you might be employed for Thanksgiving. And give Eva a Nova a fork too, or spoon, whatever. Here you go.
Excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna set it over here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, let Lola eat your food.
It's not pretty good. It's amazing.
For real?
Oh. It's good, huh?
And
I want some more.
and these kids, Mac and cheese kind of sour.
I like it, and it says fire.
It's fire?
No, it's inspired.
It's inspired?
Yeah, I like
Inspiring.
it. Yep, that was yummy. 200 out of 200.
All right, I'm gonna taste some here in a minute. All right, y'all. This is fire, y'all. I'm gonna let you know. Right. Thank you, Snoop. This was a fire recipe. It was easy, quick, and simple. So yeah, follow me on this journey of a natural disaster because I have no idea what I'm doing. So,
It came out good.
so this is my best recipe so far.
All right.
Oh yes, and put this out there. This may happen. We'll see.
I need you to
But
stop.
2
I
weeks-
need you to stop because you got food and stuff all on your lip.
In 2 weeks, right? We're going to the Ohio Connect, right?
Mm-hmm.
And guess who's gonna be there?
Chuck.
Chuck is gonna be here. I am the opposite of Chuck. I cannot cook. Do not like to cook. But what would that be like? Me learning how to cook from him. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that
Yeah.
be sweet?
Yes, it would.
That'd be pretty tight, wouldn't it? That might happen. I can make that happen.
All right.
All right. Well, I'm signing out. Till next time, y'all.
Hey, Mom, can I have some more?
See?
Absolutely.
They want more. Thanks, Mr. Snoop.